Hey guys, I'm real excited to be working with the team at Sports Biz Camps again. I think what I'd like to really focus on is the unique ability to stay moving forward. A lot of times people talk about things just happening and they really don't. You've got to constantly stay in motion. You have to constantly be adding to your toolbox. So in this time, it's a weird time, COVID time, but you can still be developing skills. You can still be somewhat networking. You can be putting yourself out there. It might not be where you want to be right now, but there's no reason you can't capitalize on some of this extra time to educate yourself and to build your skill set. So that's something I'd like to focus on here in the upcoming presentation and kind of talk about my journey. What I do today did not happen overnight, and there was a lot of steps, a lot of failures, and a lot of successes that allow me to sit here and speak with you today. So hopefully my story will be able to inspire your own journey.